Hello everyone, my name is Caitlin and I'm part of the Joymaker team here at TravelJoy. Joymakers are your customer success team and your go-to resource for support and guidance as you use the platform. If you're not familiar with us, we are TravelJoy, the all-in-one platform for travel advisors. With our platform, you can manage clients, create itineraries, and handle payments all in one place. From our full CRM to our itinerary builder, you get access to tools that help you save time, look professional, stay organized, and simplify payments. Now, let's explore how TravelJoy can help streamline your workflow. At TravelJoy, you get a centralized digital workspace to run your business smoothly and efficiently. Stay organized and stress-free with our CRM. Securely store client details, effortlessly connect with travelers, and manage tasks with ease, all in one place. Want to create beautiful, professional proposals and itineraries that will impress your clients? Our itinerary and proposal builder helps you craft memorable experiences that leave a lasting impression. Get paid with ease. TravelJoy's invoicing tools let you securely collect credit card authorizations and process payments seamlessly. Next, you can save hours by automating routine emails, forms, and follow-ups. No more chasing down clients or trying to remember to do every little step. Now, if you manage group trips, we've got you covered. Save time and stay organized with our groups feature. Create streamlined booking pages and manage group trips from one convenient tab. And finally, with the power of our AI tools at TravelJoy, you can cut out all of the busy work. We'll turn your supplier confirmations, PDFs, and screenshots into polished invoices, proposals, and itineraries in seconds. So instead of spending hours formatting documents and retyping information in different places, you get back to enjoying the magic of travel planning. As you can see, TravelJoy is packed with powerful tools, but the real key is how it all comes together in the day-to-day of running your business. And that's exactly what we hear from advisors using the platform. We've been the proven, reliable choice since 2018, and we love hearing stories from our community. Advisors doubling their sales, advisors improving their close rates by 75%. Now let's dive into the demo so you can see exactly how TravelJoy can do the same for your business. With TravelJoy, you get a robust CRM that keeps track of every client, message, and trip in one place, helping you stay organized. For example, it's easy to capture potential new clients using the power of TravelJoy forms. If you have existing forms you've created elsewhere, it's easy to import them into TravelJoy. No need to spend time recreating them. With Magic Importer, you can just drop a link to your online form or share a photo of a paper form, and we'll turn it into a TravelJoy form for you. Forms can be shared by link, as we see on my screen, embedded to your website, or sent via a trip in TravelJoy to quickly capture new leads. When a form is submitted, you'll be notified right away, and all of your clients' details are automatically saved and organized in TravelJoy, so that everything you need is saved in one place and ready to use. This trip is your one-stop shop for managing your clients' travel seamlessly and efficiently with access to messaging tools, your trip files, such as submitted forms, created invoices, and more, tasks to keep you on track with to-do list items or automatically send a form or message to your client, and space to record internal notes regarding the trip. Having everything in one place like this helps you save time and deliver a smoother client experience. Next, you'll likely want to create a proposal for your client to review. Proposals in TravelJoy make it easy to present your ideas to your client, allow them to make decisions between different options, get their approval, and generate an invoice all in one easy flow. To get started, let's look at how you can create an entire cruise proposal in under 60 seconds using our Itinerary Copilot. Copilot is an AI assistant that lives right inside the Itinerary Builder. You can simply give it your rough notes on a client's trip, and it will turn it into a full, client-ready itinerary in seconds that you can then review and send. With Smart Proposals, your client can approve the trip and provide their credit card authorization, all in one easy step. This cuts down on the back and forth emails and helps you close sales faster. Once the authorization is complete, an invoice will automatically be generated within their Trip Files tab, and you will be notified by email. You can access their credit card details, pay your supplier, and mark the payment as paid for both yours and your client's records. While that invoice gets created automatically after a proposal is approved, It's easy to create supplier invoices anytime you'd like. Magic Importer turns your supplier documents into polished, client-ready invoices with your branding, so everything you send looks clean and professional. That's a high-level view of how TravelJoy works for individual trips. But now, let's talk about groups. One of the most powerful features in TravelJoy is our Groups feature. It all starts with a group booking page. To get travelers booked, you can publish one polished, professional landing page that lists your room packages, excursions, pricing, and deposit requirements. Your client can just click the link, pick their package, fill out any forms you require, and pay their deposit while agreeing to your terms and conditions. TravelJoy automatically creates an individual trip for them in your group, generates your invoice, stores their payment details, and notifies you. That's hours of busy work off your plate. And because group trips often involve lots of individual payments, we've made that process simple too. If you use our Group Funds feature, each trip pays individually, and TravelJoy aggregates those payments so that you can pay your suppliers in lump sums. This makes it easier for you to pay your suppliers for big groups instead of having to send payments and authorizations for each individual traveler. And finally, to keep everything organized, you get a Group Status tab. This is your at-a-glance dashboard showing who's booked, who's paid, who's pending, and what's still outstanding. Managing dozens of travelers suddenly feels simple. Now that's just a quick look at some of the key parts of TravelJoy, and that's only the beginning. Advisors also love things like our time-saving automations and ready-to-use templates that make day-to-day work so much easier. When we say we're an all-in-one platform, we really mean it. With all of our different features, you can cut down on the number of tools you use and run everything in one place. And the best part? It's super easy to get started. You can try the full platform free for 7 days, no credit card required. After your free trial, we've got 2 flexible membership options. We know not every travel business looks the same and you have different needs, so you can choose between 2 different plans to fit the way you work. Our starter plan is perfect if you are new to the industry and just need the essentials. It gives you everything you need to hit the ground running for just $19 a month. Or, to unlock the full power of TravelJoy, including automation and AI, our Pro plan is for you. To get started, sign up for a free 7-day trial at TravelJoy.com. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we look forward to having you in the TravelJoy community.